Deep cleaning on Acer Nitro 5 laptop. Thank you Serapis for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Deep cleaning a laptop is critically important for maintaining its optimal performance and ensuring its longevity. Over time, dust, dirt, and other particles can accumulate inside the laptop, particularly in sensitive areas like the fan vents and under the keyboard. This buildup can obstruct airflow, leading to overheating and causing the system to work harder than necessary. When a laptop overheats, its performance slows down and it becomes more prone to issues such as unexpected shutdowns, lag, or even permanent damage to internal components like the motherboard or hard drive. By conducting regular deep cleanings, you can prevent these problems from escalating. Cleaning out the fan and vents ensures that air circulates freely, allowing the laptop to cool properly, which significantly improves the overall efficiency and performance of the device, in addition to boosting airflow. Deep cleaning also helps remove dust or debris from the keyboard, touchpad, and ports, reducing the risk of mechanical failure and improving the user experience. Moreover, deep cleaning improves the overall hygiene of your laptop, which is important as keyboards can often harbor bacteria and dirt from regular use. The cleaner device not only looks better, but also creates a more pleasant and sanitary working environment. Ultimately, regular deep cleaning is a simple yet effective preventive measure that keeps your laptop running smoothly, reduces the risk of costly repairs, and extends its lifespan, making it a vital part of laptop maintenance. However, at PTIT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering a deep cleaning service for laptops that stands out for its exceptional professionalism and trustworthiness. Our dedicated team of skilled technicians is equipped with the latest tools and advanced techniques to deliver thorough, meticulous cleaning. We understand the importance of maintaining your laptop's performance and longevity, which is why we ensure every aspect of the cleaning process is handled with the utmost care and precision. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning to follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.